Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com and search YouTube thumbnail. It opens the perfect size 1280 by 720 pixels. Then, choose a template or start with a blank canvas. Upload your own video screenshot or photos and drag it onto the canvas. Then, add a bold title or phrase using big, readable fonts. Use bright colors for contrast and visibility. You can also add shadows, outlines, or stickers to highlight text or faces. Keep it clean and eye-catching. Then, click share, then download and save as a JPEG or PNG. Now, upload it with your video. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.